Good morning, folks. Todd from Walnut Ridge Service Department. It is Friday morning. We try to do a video, service video, information video every Friday morning. So today we're going to talk about our June specials coming up. We've got a few of them, good prices on air conditioning, maintenance, service. So what that entails is the technician will do an amp draw on your AC unit, make sure your thermostat is communicating with your AC, so your communication line's good. He'll check all that, check your coil, pull off, actually take your AC shroud off of the top unit and clean all that, clean your coils, clean it all out, make sure everything looks good. You get dirt, debris up there from pulling your camper around. It's sitting in a campground. So it's a very good thing to do, especially getting into the higher temperatures here. It's going to start in mid-June, into June, into July. And make sure your air conditioner is performing at its optimum efficiency level with those higher temperatures. And then obviously you're in a box. So a metal sided one especially, so it's gonna take on heat. So you definitely want that air conditioner working to its best of its ability. So we are running that special for $149. It is regularly $225, so a little bit of savings there. Appointments are getting booked up quickly, so I would get it in here for that. We are also running, so if you got a toy hauler, the bigger fifth wheels with the Onan generators, we are running a generator maintenance special on that, where we change your oil, your filter, spark plug, check everything out to make sure everything's working good for if you're going to do any off-grid camping, going out west or even down south. We're running that special for $399. That is regular $502, so that's quite a bit of savings there on that generator special maintenance. And then we're also running a special, you want it looking good while you're out pulling it to your campground. Just like my vehicle, I like to have it clean inside and out. I'm kind of particular that way, my wife says anyways. So I'm sure your camper, you got a lot of money invested in it. We're running a wash package, silver wash package for $199. It's regular $299, so $100 savings there. So start making your appointments, get them in so we can get you done and get you out on the road for your next trip. Have a great day.